Hi, I'm Crystal with Azalea's Garden, and for today's video, I want to do something a little bit different and do some houseplant repotting with you because I have created a little problem for myself, and yeah, so let's go. Okay, so here is my little indoor plant issue. I brought a lot of my indoor plants outside because I was having some issues with spider mites and mealybugs. And this was months ago. I brought them out here and I have refused to take them back inside. So some of them have sustained some lovely snail and slug damage, which is very sad. But I need to just do some repotting and on some of these and just take them back inside because they no longer have a bug issue. They have a snail and slug issue. So some of them have been completely decimated and look worse than they did when they first came out here. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is repotting, cleaning up, and moving them indoors because this has become an eyesore as well as this lovely statue. So let's go. I have 4 little plants out of this.
Later.
Well, it has been a few weeks, honestly, and a lot has happened in those weeks. I got really sick and a whole bunch of other things. So I'm finally gonna get to it and repot these plants because it's crunch time and we will be leaving the island in less than 2 months. So let's get these plants repotted. So before actually starting the time lapse, I should have actually let you in on the fact that I'm not actually repotting these plants to go back into the house at this point. I'm actually repotting these to sell and or give away, considering that we were so close to the move. Actually about 2 weeks and change as of this voiceover. So yeah, please enjoy this time lapse of the repotted plants. I got really hot, so I had to put my hair up because this humidity is insane. Look at this. It kind of made itself a little bonsai. I kept trying to put it right side up, but it never wanted to, so. Ooh, now that's hefty. I'm so sad to give this one up. This is the, is it Black Knight ZZ? Black Raven. Be really gentle with this one because they love to be root bound. I'm not sure how much these are worth now, but when we bought it, it was still worth a pretty penny. So I want to protect this one as much as possible. Living its best life, nice and root bound, and it has tons of forms. See, that's what I was afraid of. It reminds me of the root in the Pan's Labyrinth, or like a mandrake even. Very interesting. I have made the biggest mess. This is why I prefer to do everything in the potting bench, but I will never get this done because the days that I have the time to do it, it's raining. So I just have to suck it up. Okay, so it is absolutely pouring. I think I'm going to have to stop, but let me show you. So I do have all of these repotted. Some of these I need to just trash some soil. I'm just gonna give this away. Some things like that, some cleanup. I just really don't feel like I can go and be out in the pouring rain and do all that. So I think I'm going to stop here and I'll just insert a clip at the end on a nice sunnier day and just display everything on this table until they go to their new homes. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Here are all my pretty plants. I've already sold like 6 of them from yesterday when I posted them. So they're gonna come and pick these beautiful ones up today. I'm so sad to leave this one behind.